Hello everyone, this is Chioma. Welcome to my channel on the review video of Badass Bonuses. Badass Bonuses was put together by the DigitalDames and is actually a core selection of over 80 done for you bonuses with full rights that you can use in your own affiliate marketing promotions or list building to increase your conversions as well as results. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details and shall also give you a demo of how this product works. But do not forget to click down below on the bell icon for notification, leave a comment and click the like, share, subscribe button. And as usual, I've also added some of my bonuses that will go well with this product. So for you to be able to access my bonuses, just click also on the link that is in the description box below. It will bring you to this page right here. This is my bonus page, and right here, these bonuses right here are the ones that I've added today, my custom made bonuses for you. All right guys, let me take you to the sales page. Let's see what our DigitalDames are saying about this product. So they are saying that copy and paste push button system that makes them over $882 in affiliate commissions every day. So working no more than 30 minutes a day. So basically, right here, these are the features of this product. They said it's a secret method that they use to earn $882 a day. Dominate affiliate contests, copy and paste system, their fastest way to earn 6 figures online, their best passive income system, their own business in a box, and 100% beginner friendly. Right, this is what they are saying about this product, and right here are the 3 steps to deploy to get it up and running. You register, you paste, and then you start making profits. And these are some of the customers, what they have to say about the product. But guys, I'm not going to read all of that for the sake of time. And this is one of the ladies that put together this product and her partner right here. All right, let's see other bonuses that they have added. Remember guys, I told you that I have some awesome bonuses that I've added today. So right here are the bonuses that they have added. So the first one they added is called the Cleopatra. It's a software that finds hidden traffic streams in any niche. And then the second bonus that they added is the Zena, and is an app that siphons free traffic from one of the world's biggest websites. And then of course the third one that they added is the Maeve, and is a secret hack that harnesses the power of email with 0 email list. So the magic of YouTube without creating any video, and also the mighty force of Google without writing any content. So all of these 3 bonuses are basically drives the traffic for you, and this is for content actually to make sales online. All right guys, then speaking of bonuses guys, let me quickly show you the ones that I have added today. So the first one that I added here is the 40 high quality leads magnet. So of course you get lists, you need the leads to be able to build your list. So that's why I've added one of these bonuses that teaches you how to draw the leads. And of course, then the traffic, Juno's 3 favorite traffic sources. Of course, they have also added packages that teaches you how you can siphon traffic. But with this, Juno's 3 favorite traffic will help to complement what they have added as a bonus. And then of course you have the third bonus that I added is a perfect storm, 25 done for you campaigns plus commission gorilla tutorial. So if you're an affiliate marketer, of course, commission gorilla you should be used to, or you must have heard about it. Or if you are trying to start off, you need commission gorilla to be able to do your affiliate marketing campaigns and all of that. Okay guys, now the fourth one that I added is the is also a hack that teaches you or how you can understand how to connect the dots to make money online. And then of course the fifth one is access to all vendor bonuses, guys. So remember that these bonuses that I added today, for you to be able to access them, all you need to do is to click on the link that I've added in the description box below. It will bring you to this page, guys, and the clock is ticking. Remember that this product goes live in a matter of few hours today, and you can have access to all these bonuses within this first 3 days. That's the timer right here is showing. But remember, guys, once this timer runs out, I'm not promising that you have access to all the bonuses that I've mentioned, but if you're purchasing within this time frame, of course you have access to all of them. And one more reminder, guys, if you signed in through, if you're purchasing through Warrior Plus, all you need to do is to click on the link, the blue button right there, and it will all my bonuses shall automatically be added. Now I have shown you the bonuses. Let me quickly take you guys to the prices and the upsells. So about the front end, guys, is $16.97. So you have access to the training modules and software, and then of course the other bump, which is called the VIP support, is at $6.97. So you get the support you need right at the time you desperately need it. And of course the upsell one, which is the advanced training, so you make people salivate over your promotions. So basically these they say that these affiliate strategies are the ones we go to every single time we want to crush any affiliate promotion and win the affiliate contest. So basically you have their strategies, their best strategies, how to triple your results, your pre-sale tools, your live engagement calls and all of that. And then the upsell 2, guys, is called the multiple 100% profit streams, and it's $97. So you get badass bonuses, the Maeve, the Xena reseller rights with commissions throughout the entire funnel. So basically you have the reseller rights with upsell 2 to be able to sell badass bonuses, Maeve and all that, and then the Xena. And then the upsell 3, you get more money without busting your ass, and that is $37. So they're saying it's 2 simple tweaks continue to transform affiliate campaigns results without any heavy lifting or extra work. And then the upsell 4 is smoke your competitors with these free traffic hacks. So with upsell 4, they will show you a traffic hack to be able to have victory over your competitors. And right here, guys, are the benefits that you'll be getting once you purchase this app that I mentioned on the sales page. Now, guys, I have shown you the features, I have shown you the sales page, the bonuses, the prices. Let me take you to the members area. Let's see how it looks like. So once you sign in, guys, this is what you see. So on the right hand, at the top right hand side is where you log in and out. And also you get free training that you turn 45 minutes into 10K dollars. And then you contact, that is also from there you can contact their support team. So on the left hand side is where you see the panels for your training. And guys, let's take a listen to what they have to say a little bit.
Hi everyone, welcome to Badass Bonuses. We are super excited to have you here, aren't we, Nanda?
We are! Welcome everyone, congratulations for picking up Badass Bonuses!
Woo! And if you didn't know, I am Paula Marie. I do live in Melbourne, Australia. Just been on an amazing trip to New Zealand for 3 months and had an absolute ball, and wouldn't have been able to do that without my online business. So I'm super happy to be able to share with you all the skills and everything that I've learned. And
well, my name's Nanda. I have not been traveling all that much because, the current situation, but I have been doing mini staycations here and there, and I have been taking my business with me as well, so that's exciting. So yeah, I'm very excited to have you here and can't wait to share all of the secret bonuses with you. And yes, and we have 4 buttons down here, Paula Marie.
We do. We have 4 magic buttons. I'm going to call them magic buttons because these are 4 buttons that we know that are really going to help you to grow your business very quickly. And we're all about giving you as much as a leg up as we possibly can. So button number 1 actually is an invite to go through some training. Now, you do need to register for the training. Now, this is the exact same training that Nanda and I went through just over a year ago when we were out there looking to change our lives, get out of the normal grind, make some money online, basically is what we were looking to do. We both went through this training and we think this training is very applicable, and it is, a really good idea for you to go through that training. So that's the reason why we've popped that invite there. Now, it does go for about 2 hours, so make sure that you get a cup of tea, a glass of wine, or whatever, put your feet up, and have a notepad with you to take some notes, because you're going to want to. And button number 2, Nanda, is
button number 2. Button number 2 is a very special button. It is an invitation for you to get a one-on-one private coaching or 2-on-1 private coaching, because both of us are going to be there for you privately. So you can ask us anything at all about Badass Bonuses, obviously, and about anything make money online related things. You can ask us about how to jumpstart your business, how to be a better affiliate marketer, to get traffic, to automate your business, anything at all. You can even ask us how we run our business, and we'll share it with you. We won't hold anything back. So you have both of us privately for an hour long. So you can click that button below, and then it will take you to, once you booked it, it will take you to a calendar. You can choose your time, and we will both be there with you for an hour long.
So guys, basically these ladies are the ladies that put together this app, and they have given a little bit of intro about this app, and also the invites where you can learn, where they can teach you and all of that. So going back to the tutorials right here, guys, for each of the buttons that you click, because they are all clickable, then the tutorial opens up, as you can see, guys. But I may not have access to all of these tutorials because mine is just for demo purposes. But once you purchase, definitely you have access to all of the information that you are seeing right here in the members area. So guys, thank you so much. This is all I have to offer today to you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for sharing my videos, and for those of you that have subscribed, I appreciate. And also a big thanks to those that are purchasing through my link. Thank you guys, and do not forget to share. I will see you guys in my next video. You stay safe. Bye.